Hello everyone. I am Shah Mukti from Team Tricoders along with my teammates Nisarg Panchal and Meet Sabhaya. We proudly present Suvidha Plus, a smart, touch-friendly, multilingual citizen service kiosk integrated with a powerful admin dashboard for government departments. So, our end goal is very simple. It is to reduce the queues, resolve issues faster, and give departments real time visibility across the city. So, as a citizen walks up to the kiosk, he immediately sees a clean, multilingual dashboard supporting languages like English, Hindi, and Gujarati. The user can log in with a OTP verification. Also, this is touch supported. These are the terms of use and privacy policy. This leads to the home page where the user is supposed to select the department like electricity, gas, municipal. In the electricity, the user can report the outrage, streamlight issue, upload meter reading, view or pay the bill. In the gas section, the user can book new gas connection, report gas leakage, can perform billing and payments, and can report delivery delay of the gas services. In the municipal section, the user can report the garbage not collected, water leakage, potholes, sanitation, property tax bill, and certificates of birth and death. In my request section, the user can see all the tickets or requests. In bills and payment section, the user can pay the bills and can see the due payments. In help section, the user can see all the kiosk instructions. Now let's book a new gas connection. Also, there is a voice assistant feature. Book new gas connection. Book new gas connection for my new home. Ahmedabad. The latitude and longitude are completely optional. Then one can review the ticket and submit the request. View ticket. It shows pending or it shows submitted. It's pending yet. Now let's move on to the admin panel. This is the dashboard of the admin panel. Then we have tickets, work orders, staff control. From here we can add the new staff member. Then we have departments, then we have analytics, then we have audit logs, then we have notifications. In the ticket section, the user can see all the tickets. This is the last ticket that we just submitted. The admin can assign it to the staff members. If the work is completed, then the admin can set it to complete. The user will get a notification of the ticket assigned. If the task is completed, then it will get again a notification of the task completed. Gas connection. Task is completed and resolved. So, for citizens, Suvidha Plus cuts wait times and produces transparent, dependable updates they can trust. For departments, it improves productivity, enforces SLAs, and turns raw data into actionable insights. Also, in short, Suvidha Plus transfers municipal service delivery into a modern, trackable, citizen friendly system ready to deploy citywide with measurable improvements from day one. Thank you.